Hi everyone, aloha. I'm Sherelle, Senior Manager of Programs for Girl Scouts of Hawaii, and this is our very first Girl Scouts at Home video that we are sharing with you today. So this one is our daisies for Daisy Design a Robot. So first thing I would need our daisies to do while you're starting to join the live video here is to start gathering some items. You'll need a few pieces of paper and either a pen, pencil, crayon, or marker is something to write with. So while you guys are gathering those items, I want you to start thinking of things that robots can do. They help clean the house. They can go to other planets. So you can go ahead and type in the comment section, what do robots do that you know of that help us in our day-to-day life? So while you guys are doing that and typing into the comments, make sure you gather your pieces of paper as well as a pen, marker, or crayon, something to write with for this activity. So robots do tasks that are often too hard, boring, or dangerous for humans to do. As you know, robots are made up of many different parts that together create a robot that can move and follow algorithms, which is a set of instructions. Today, we are going to be engineers as we plan and design our own robots to solve some of our everyday problems. So what is something you do every day that might not be your favorite thing to do? You can go ahead and type into the comments box just to kind of give some feedback of what is something you do every day that might not be your favorite thing to do. Some examples could be you don't like waking up in the morning, you have to do the dishes, you have to clean up your toys, walk your dog. Go ahead and type in the comment section here everyday items that you might not be your favorite thing to do while you're at home. Oh, there we go. Yeah, we got cleaning toys, clean the house. Perfect. So with those, I want you to think, how can a robot help you in helping you every day in completing a task that might not be your favorite thing to do? So some of you have cleaning up your toys, cleaning the house, taking your dog out for a walk to use the restroom. And how could creating a robot help you with this? What could this robot do to help you with your tasks that you do every day? So robots could really help us in solving a lot of problems. I want you to choose one problem to design a robot for. So think about a problem. It could be some that was mentioned in the comment section just now. And I want you to get your paper out with your writing utensil, a pen, pencil, markers, crayons, anything, and start just drawing really fast. It's just a sketch. We're just going to do a sketch of your robot. You can do multiple sketches, and I want you to remember that robots need to have special parts. So some of the most important robot parts that you can include in your drawing that you're doing right now is gears that move, or larger parts of the robot that moves in one direction than the other. Open, closing parts of the robots, pulleys that could help the robots lift things if you need it to move things, wheels. How is the robot going to move around if you want it to have wheels? Drawing nuts and bolts and screws to keep the different pieces together. So I want you to think about that while you're sketching your robot design of what it's going to do to help you with a daily chore or something that you might want help with throughout your day while you're at home. And I want you to remember that while you're drawing this is, what does my robot do? So just keep that in mind while you're drawing. What does your robot do? What parts does it need to complete the task that you want it to do? So what you're doing right now is that you're brainstorming and designing robots just like engineers do. So first, you thought about what your robot will do or its purpose by looking at what you need help with in your day-to-day life. Then you made lots of different sketches to brainstorm how best to design your robot. After you discussed your ideas with each other, engineers do the very same thing when they want to build something. So first, they look for problems to find needs. Then they plan and sketch ways to solve that problem. After they share their ideas with each other, they get feedback. So what we are doing is we are going to share your feedback with all of us. I put a link for our Dropbox. So at the end of this video, you're going to share your master sketch. So out of all the sketches, you're going to select one design that you're going to go with, and you're going to actually create this robot in the next section to complete this badge. So click on that Dropbox link. You have all the way till the end of tonight. Tomorrow, this video will be up on our Facebook page that you can refer to. And I want you to share it with us in the Dropbox. So you're just going to take a picture of your sketch and then send it over to us with your email address. And then we will go ahead and send you the additional badge requirements to complete your Design a Robot badge at home. All right, so thank you all for coming to our first live Girl Scouts at Home video. I want you to stay tuned the rest of the week. We have on Wednesday, we're going to have a virtual running club. That's at 5 p.m. And Friday is family game night. So at 5 o'clock, we're going to do a family game night scavenger hunt edition. So please be prepared for that. Running around to grab different items that's at your home. Get the whole family involved because you get additional points for everybody who participates in the family game night. The virtual running club, it's a great activity that we actually have one of our team mentors, Swiss Miss, for those of you who have been to camp. She's leading and spearheading that virtual running club activity. So we'll go ahead and share that with you on Wednesday at 5 o'clock. So stay tuned. Check back with us on Facebook. We're going to have lots of different activities and programs throughout this week, next week, and the following weeks. So I want to thank you guys for joining us. And I look forward to seeing all of your designs through our Dropbox folder by the end of today. And tomorrow I'll be checking on all of your drawings. Aloha.